Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a snipping tool ruler missing on Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Go to search menu and type snipping tool. You just need to right click on it and select app settings. In here you need to scroll down, select the repair option and select the reset option. After getting done, you just need to close it up here and open the snipping tool and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, then you just need to go to search menu and type a snipping tool. You just need to right click on it and select uninstall and select uninstall again, and it will be uninstalled guys. Now you just need to type store. Comes up Microsoft Store, click on open it. Go to search menu and type snipping tool, SNIPPING TOOL, press enter. Comes up a snipping tool, click on open it. Select the get option and install it guys. After getting installing, you just need to open it and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, then you just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for these commands used in my video. Just copy and paste it one by one. This command need to get 100% done guys. After getting done, you just need to copy the second command, and after getting the second command 100% done, copy the third command and fourth command. By using these commands, you can diagnose and repair many common issues related to your system files corruption in Windows. After getting all these commands done, you just need to restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these method fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.